Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how we can create our first Node.js app. So let's start with the video. So to create Node.js app, first we have to install the Node.js. So to install the Node.js, so you can directly go to this website and download the Node.js. So if you are using Windows, so you can download the windows.msi file, and if you are using Mac system, so you can download the .pkg file. So after installing the node, so to create the Node.js app, I am using the Visual Studio Code. So if you don't have Visual Studio Code in your machine, so you can directly go to browser and download it. So after that, we have to go to terminal and type command npm init -yes. So this will create a package.json file with the default configurations, where you can see name Node.js version 1.0.0. So after that you have to install Express. So I am using Express framework. So let's install Express. npm I --save Express. So you can use this command to install the Express. Press enter. So after that we have to create one file. Let's say app.js. So to create a Node.js server, first we have to require Express. So we can use var Express equals to require Express. After this we can create one app object, app equals to Express. So after this we have to add one line, app.listen, and we can pass our port number. So I am using 3000, comma, and function. So this is the callback function. So once the server is created, this function will call. So I am printing log console.log listening on port 3000. With these three lines we have just created server. So let's add one route, app.get /route, comma, function. This will take two parameters, request and response. After that we have to create a callback function. So let's return response dot send code Sagar API. Save this file. To run this server we can use command node app.js. Okay, so this is giving us error, port already in use 3000. So let's change the port 3100. Save this file and use the same command node app.js. So as you can see, listening on port 3100. Let's go to browser, type localhost 3100. So as you can see, we are getting codesagar.api response. So in this way you can create your first Node.js app. So I will continue this series and make some videos on Node.js. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.